Okay, hello there. Jason here with Highland Construction on Renovate Alaska, and we are doing a deck today. This is about 600 square feet of deck space. We're going to wash this thing down, prepare it for some new staining. Needs an overhaul. So we got some additional deck space down here, some stairs, and then we also have a deck in the front. 3,500 psi pressure washer. And here we go for renovate this deck and make it look like new again. All right, so we got nice pressure wash stairs. All the black stuff and mold have been pretty much eliminated, all washed off. Looks a lot better. This was all black at one point. And heading up here to this deck, take a look here. It's looking good. A couple boards here that need maybe replaced or screwed down, put some deck screws on it. But anyways, looking pretty good. It's gonna be ready for stain, I think probably either later today or tomorrow. So here we are. Here we are now in the front yard, looking at the front deck. Just turn this around. As you can see, the wood is, you can see the stains coming off on the rails. This is Alaska. This is what happens here with the cold environments. It just needs a little TLC and we'll get it looking new again. A little bit of a sloping deck. Needs a little bit of a settling maybe in the footings to hold the deck up, but regardless, we are going to tackle this with the pressure washer and restain this and make it look new again. Okay, so here we are on the back deck, and as you can see behind me, that there's been some twisted deck boards removed. And swing around this way to show you what's going on. So these twisted deck boards had to get replaced. Some additional blocking put in place so that the end board can attach to something very secure. Same thing on the other end right here. And as you can see, I've already cut this outdoor hood, which is going to get screwed down to the deck joist below there. And there's also one over here as well. And this one has an angle cut on it, but same thing as well. This one is going to get replaced as well. Then we start staining. Alrighty, more to come.